Hello everyone, welcome to admission updates. In this video, we will see how to take the mock test of NEET MDS 2022. This is the official website of NEET MDS 2022, and on the page, direct link to access the mock test is given. You have to click on this link, and a login page will appear on the screen like this. You need not fill any detail here and directly click on the sign in button. After that, these instructions will appear on the screen and you have to read this carefully. And after reading these details, click on the next button. Again, you will get some details related to the examination. Read them carefully and mark this box. After that, click on I am ready to begin. When you will click on that button, this screen will appear on the screen, and here is the question number one. Four options. You have to choose any one option which is correct according to you, and to choose the correct answer you have to click on any one of these round boxes. Like if the correct answer is this, you have to click on this round box and it will be marked as blue. Now here is the timer. It is showing time left. Then these colors indicate different things, like green color shows answered question, red color shows not answered question, then white color shows not visited yet, and color shows marked for review, and purple with a green dot shows answered and marked for review, and it will be considered for evaluation. So here it is showing red color, that means this question is not answered yet, although I have marked this, but you have to save this. Like when you will click on this save and next button, it will be green, the color will be changed to green. Now this is the question number 2 and it is red, that means the question is not answered. And suppose if I click on this button, sorry, this option, it will be red until I will save this answer. Now what is this mark for review and next? So suppose in case you want to review any answer later, you have to click on this mark and review next, mark for review and next, so that you remember that you want to review question number 2. And when you will click on mark for review and next, the color of that question number will be changed like this, purple for purple with a green dot. So these are the option, and in case you want to move on to any question, if I want to visit to this question number 10, I will directly click on this 10 and I will get the question on my screen. These are the steps to take the mock test, and you have to follow the similar steps while appearing in the exam. Similar pattern will be followed in the examination. This was the update, and thanks for watching for this video, and subscribe the channel for the other updates related to NEET MDS.